To reach our very ambitious 2050 targets, we need collaborations. Anaïs is here to explain what that exactly means. Hi, Anaïs.
Hi.
So what kind of collaborations do we need to reach our targets?
To reach these targets, I think it's one of the tools we have is to help companies and academics to work together, because we have amazing skills and equipment in some of universities or laboratories, for instance. And companies need to be aware of these tools and need to have access to them. So companies and academics can work together to foster innovation and research development so that we can reach these ambitious targets.
You mean MEDEE, the cluster that, let's say, assists, promotes collaborations. What are the focus points?
So MEDEE means, first of all, motors and electrical devices for energy efficiency. So we work on challenges focused on energy, renewable energies, mobility and transport, smart grids, for example, and energy efficiency for in the industrial processes.
And do you focus only in Hauts-de-France, which is a unique situation, or do you connect countries, for example, between?
Yeah, most of our members are based in the Hauts-de-France region. It's a wonderful region with high-level skills in academics and industrial sectors, but we also work with national and European partners, because the idea is to promote our highly skilled here in the territory to national and European levels, and also to build partnerships with other companies and academics around the world.
Example of other countries?
For example, we have strong partnership with Africa. Mm-hmm. We built this strategy few years ago, thanks to the Hauts-de-France region. And since 2017 now, we managed to develop and to foster more than 70 collaborative projects on renewable energy, most of them, and on research and development projects, training and skill transfer, for instance, and also very concrete energy access projects. So we work in 17 different countries, and I just came back from Senegal yesterday. So it's a very interesting way also to think the future development of the energy sector here in Europe, to have a big overview with what is going on in other parts of the world.
Exactly, and it must be very, very different. I mean, we're doing things one way here in Europe. How would you say that these differences manifest? What kind of differences are there?
We have different ways to think about, for example, the electrical network expansion. Here in Europe, every part of Europe is already electrified, and you have highly and very centralized networks. Whereas in Africa, like in some countries, more than 60% of the population do not have access to electricity. But nowadays, they work on very innovative way to solve these problems, thanks to renewable energies, to decentralized solutions, for instance, and thanks to digitalization also. So our contexts are completely different, but in some ways, the answer can be shared and adapted from one context to another.
If you had to choose one topic, a focus topic, electrification, digitalization, security, what would you choose and why?
They are all linked from one to another, so it's very hard to answer this question, because digitalization, for instance, is one way to answer to help decentralization of energy access, and so to foster renewable energies development also. So it's a very hard question, and without security, you cannot have digitalization. So digitalization, security, and renewable energy are all parts of the answer. You cannot foster only one pillar. They are all linked together.
Anaïs, thank you very much, and sorry for tricking you a little bit with a question that is impossible to answer. I wouldn't be able to answer it myself. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And thank you very much for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe and join our community.